Hi, my name is Prashant. I work for PlugHR. If you are an entrepreneur, I'm going to just show you how PlugHR app makes it so simple for you to run HR. You set up 8 to 10 things and you won't have to bother about any of those things again. So this is the HR admin page. Once you log inside your PlugHR app account, if you can see, there are simple few tabs that cover entire HR that you have to set up and run. Everything is right here. Setting up is so simple. There are just two things. One is organization design and one is policy setup. If you finish these two, you are ready to add users. Even in organization design, you will find you can set up offices. You can edit departments. A lot of departments are already set. You can edit KRAs. The KRAs for specific departments are already set. They have been researched, they have been thought through, and they have already been loaded into the system. So you won't spend your 3 to 6 months just building KRAs for different roles. Same goes for skills. The skills are already built inside. The top skills you require in people who you hire in specific departments, that list is already there. You can, of course, edit both KRAs and skills as per your requirement. But if you just don't want to do any of those things, you can just take the system and run. You create roles, you create various employment types, whether it's an employee, whether it's a contractor, whether it's a consultant or an intern, and you are ready to add users. It's better if you complete this section, policy setup, before you add users, because when employees come on the system, they will find the system ready to use. This is all you need to manage from a life cycle of an employee's perspective. So you can add users, you can manage onboarding, you can have various views, you can announce engagements, training events, whatever. You can share your core values, you can give messages to the team, and you can manage the entire exit through this. So right from onboarding to exit, everything is covered. You can manage the entire learning system right inside the platform. So e-learning platform is already built in. You can create decks, you can create articles. If you create decks, you can also create readiness tests. So each deck can be published for either entire organization or for specific departments. And each deck can be supported with the readiness test, which employees will take and reports will come to you. And then, of course, the performance management. It's so simple to run performance management using the system that once you set it up, you will not have to chase people for reviews, for setting targets. Supervisors will be able to set targets for their people. And when the review period gets over, system starts prompting people to conduct their reviews, conduct their ratings. Self-rating, supervisor rating, skip level rating, all system drives. So whether you have an HR in place or your HR is on leave during those days, nothing will stop. Your onboarding, your policies, your performance management, target setting, reviews, learning platform, everything is ready independent of who is running the system. Lastly, you will find all the reports here, exception reports as well as status reports. So you can look through this. Whatever report you require is already there real time. You can, of course, manage your attendance and payrolls to the system. So basically, this makes it simple for you to set up. Once you have set up, no matter who's running the HR, the quality and the frequency of HR activity is not going to go down. So go ahead, go to plughr.com and sign up an account for yourself.